This is Marie Fitzgerald, the owner of Treasure Valley's Home Team. We are here in North Meridian in one of the most spectacular neighborhoods you could ask for. Cadence, a 55 and better community at the intersection of Chinden and Meridian Road. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go take a tour. We're here at 418 West Lockhart Lane. We're right here on the beautiful park in the middle of the subdivision, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this 2,160 square foot home that has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a den. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Come on in. We're here in this great room, which is the most wonderful place to be able to come in and enjoy the cool setting and be able to have this beautiful 360-degree view. Let's go ahead and take a look at each of the spaces and the levels now. We're here in this Brighton Homes community of Cadence, and we're specifically in the model Summer Sun, which has a beautiful layout. Great room, as you can see here on the main floor, with vaulted living room ceilings, great room with the kitchen, formal dining room, and even the den. So as you can see, it's on one of the best lots in the neighborhood overlooking the park. As you can see, there are beautiful built-ins, fully framed and encased fireplace and matching manteltop. Transitioning into the kitchen, full oven and convection microwave. We've got Bosch appliances throughout and a gas cooktop and beautiful island for your preparing needs, and even a small eating area if you choose to eat at the bar. The refrigerator is included with this transaction, and there is a full floor-to-ceiling pantry. A lot of stuff can be cooked in there. Transitioning into the formal dining room, as you can see, there is ample eating space and adjoining outdoor courtyard for your relaxing, maybe having some hors d'oeuvres, or just sitting by the fireplace enjoying a beautiful evening. Last but not least, we enter into the den and office, complete with your sliding glass door, and back to the entry and living room again. We're finishing up with our great room area here with the den and office. And now we're going to transition into the master bedroom suite that's here on the main floor. Let's go take a look. The master suite is a beautiful retreat and getaway down on the main floor. As you can see, it's got plenty of room for all your furniture and a complete master suite. So we're going to come take a look at the double vanities, stone floored walk-in shower, finishing with a very ample master closet. Now let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. We're in the upstairs. 2 full bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and even a linen closet. Nicely appointed, and the total home is 2,160 square feet. So here we are finishing our tour of Cadence at 418 West Lockhart Lane. We're overlooking this beautiful gazebo and park in the center of the subdivision. We really appreciate your time to tour this home today. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them, help you book a property tour, or give you a price opinion on what your home is worth. This is Marie Fitzgerald, owner of Treasure Valley's Home Team. We thank you for finding your gem of a home with us today. Make it a great day.